this is the back fold for Terries or flat nappies. It's a really easy, simple fold to learn. It's often one of the first that people learn to do. It puts most of the bulk between the legs, so it gives you plenty of absorbency. It's perfect for girls and boys, especially if you're using it on a younger baby. You'll find that you get plenty of absorbency from a terry nappy or a square. It is a short fold, so you tend to find that it comes up a little bit short, which means that it's ideal for newborns or small babies. And then as they get bigger, sometimes you need to switch to a different fold just to give you enough length around baby. So all you need to do is fold your terry in half, and then you fold it in half again. So at this point you just take one of the top corners, just a single layer, and pull it over to the other corner. You get a triangular shape, and then you just flip the whole thing over. And you fold this centre square here into 3 parts. And that is your nappy. So these two form your wings that you pull around baby, and then this is the centre bulk of your absorbency. You can see it puts a fair amount of bulk between the legs, a little bit less onto the sides, so you get more where you need it. To pop it onto baby, all you need to do is pull it up between the legs. I like to tuck in as I go, especially on a smaller baby, so it doesn't sit on the thighs so much. So you can tuck that in around the legs, pull it up, and then these you just need to pull around baby's waist. Get yourself a snappy, and you can pull from the left side all the way over to the right and then down through the middle. And that's your fold. So once you've folded it and secured it onto baby, you'll need a waterproof outer cover. There are lots of options available. This one has a double gusset, which is quite handy. So you pop it onto baby, and then you want the wrap or the cover just at the top of the back of the terry. Pull it round the legs and then up and over, and then secure the wrap onto baby. So it's all tucked in nice and neatly, and that's it. Very, very simple fold to do, and it's perfect for beginners.